Welcome back. You might notice that when you are working on a shade cell design, the more and more objects that you add, the slower your computer gets. Maybe the design gets a little bogged down, you move it, and a tree turns into some funny geometric shapes before it goes back to how it should look. What's happening here is that your computer is trying to render a lot of information all at once, and what's happening is it's slowing it down. So one way to help speed up your computer and speed up your process is to start putting objects on their own tags, and then you can hide those tags throughout the day or throughout your project as you're moving through it. So the nice thing is that you can create a tag at any time and add an object to any tag while you're creating it. So, for example, I put in all these trees and bushes without creating tags. So, I'm going to create those tags now so I can hide those and then continue working on my project. So, in your default tray here on the right, you should have a drop down called tags. And we're just going to click the little plus button and add a new tag. So, I'm going to create one for my tree. And so I have my tag selected. So, what I need to do is I need to select the tree, which might take, there it goes. See, it's taken a second. And now that I have the tree selected, I come over here to info, and I'm just going to move it to the tree tag. And so now what I can do is I will unselect my tree. And I can hide the tree from view. And there it goes. And now I can move my thing around a little bit easier, a little bit faster. It's not trying to render the tree. So we still have a few more things here. So I'm going to put these other bushes also on their own tag so we can again move things around a little easier. So I'm going to add a new tag. This one is going to be for shrubs. And so I'm going to select the first shrub, and I'm going to hold control. Oh, I'm trying to select them all at once, but it's giving me, we're going to go one at a time because it's going so slow. So select the first shrub, move it to the shrub tab, select the second shrub, move it to the shrub tab, and select the third shrub and move it. And now I can again hide these, and now we're back to moving much more smoothly. So now if I need to go in and I want to make some changes, now things are going a little smoother. Typically, when I start a project, I will make a a tag for the shade cells in the posts. I'll make a separate tag for the building itself, and then I make another tag for whatever objects I'm adding in. When you are editing, when you create a tag, the pencil tool on the right here shows which tag you are editing in. You can't edit in a tag that you've hidden, so you'll want to make sure that you turn those back on if you want to edit on any of those tags or objects.